Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to pair your headphones Bose 700 with your PC. You have to start by click at the Windows button on your keyboard and write Bluetooth. Now click Enter and then Add Device. Bluetooth. And now press one time at the power button on your headphones. And after that press and hold until you can hear that it's ready to connect it. And now we should see these headphones at the device list. So just click on it. And then click Done. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!